We are at Campbell shelter. It rained last night and the wind blew like crazy. And there's more coming today. This is just like a little calm. Hurricane Michael is making its way this way. So we're going to get off here in 3 miles instead of doing our 10 miles. Because the winds are supposed to be pretty high today. And there's flash flood warnings and there's a forded stream that's already pretty deep. So, yay. I feel sorry for the through hikers. That's so pretty though. Look at that. To McAfee Knob. It's not raining at the moment, which we're happy about. And we're just winding through all these boulders. It's really cool. It's not supposed to rain for another couple hours, so hopefully we'll be able to get some nice pictures, although we probably will not get a view. It's only, I think, 7/10 of a mile up from Campbell shelter, where we stayed last night. It is a steep up, but there's switchbacks, so, and it's short. I think it's like 600 more feet, because when you stay at the shelter, you're like halfway up the mountain anyway, so we were. Alright, I gotta navigate around mud puddles. Going that way. A little bit, but it's really nice and rocky here. I mean, it looks cool. But I should mention that we are southbound. So, in all these videos since Waynesboro, I'm heading in a southbound direction. So, if it doesn't make sense, it's because it's southbound. These paths. But we're here.
Everyone gets the picture from the same angle, so I would probably say so.
Yeah, let's see, if it was like this, it wouldn't be bad. Okay, McAfee Knob in the rain. Look, we have it all to ourselves. That's pretty awesome. I'm so glad I got to do it. Now we're going down that way in the rain. We've enjoyed not having this for a while. The Appalachian Creek. It is flowing well today. So, and this is just a storm system that was up here. I don't think this is Matthew yet. Not Matthew, Michael. But yeah, there's the trail. So, we have 3.9 miles to go to 311. Which, I don't understand that, because it was 4 miles back at the shelter, so. I think the Appalachian Trail grows miles, that's what I think. But it's all good. So we're heading on down. 311, we're going to Pines Hostel. And which we were going to anyway, we just were going to get off in 10 miles, not 4 miles. So we're hoping he can pick us up. But this is just the beginning of conditions today. and it's going to get worse. So, you know, if it was like this all day, still a little worried about that fording that has a bridge washed away, and it's already like a knee-deep stream, I'm told. But now with all last night's water and all today's water, I don't know. Don't think I want to do it. So there it is. Going down. We are almost to the road, and now the wind is picking up. It's been raining, and then sometimes not so hard, but it's been a pretty downhill. Well, it really hasn't been a downhill. It's kind of been a rolling walk. Holy cow, I got a duck. And the trails like this, it's pretty crazy. But we are almost to the road. What'd you say? No. No. It just doesn't matter at this point. No. Happiness is going to town on a rainy day, and the wind is just starting to pick up. Can't wait. Packs and all, right? Waiting for pickup at 311. That's the parking lot. So this is where you park if you want to make the 4-mile trek up to McAfee's Knob, going northbound. That away. Made it here to 4 Pines, but look at the chickens and the guineas. Like, even they know to get in out of the rain. That is so funny. Well, they were all in and out of the rain when we got here. You're smart, right? Check out the menagerie here at 4 Pines.
Go to the door! You can do it!
Where'd the guineas go?
Well, we got this one over here who wants to
videotape.
Go get ready!
Okay, hold on. Look at him. They're like, we're tired of walking around in the rain. We're just gonna stand here. We just ate at the Homeplace, this old farm. It's like family style eating. This house dates back to the 1800s. So cool inside. I would love to have seen it originally. Awesome. But they bring you farm style food. They had chicken, pulled pork, and I had the veggie, of course, all the veggies, so I got a little bit cheaper. But there were lots of sides. Very good. Now we're full. Check out the wind. Sunset here at 4 Pines. Except those trees are in the way. The sky is amazing to watch.